Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today in this video I will solve this Meilong Skewb Mixup version 2. So in previous video I have solved this Meilong Skewb Mixup version 3, and also I will provide its solution link in my description. And this is our simple cube. First we must need to solve this simple cube, then we will able to solve these cubes. This is version 1, this is version 3, version 2. So today in this video I will solve this Skewb Mixup version 2. So this version 3 is some little bit difficult and tricky, but this is easy, and also this is very simple and easy. So its rotation is same like this simple cube. So now I will scramble this cube and then I will show that how we can solve this cube. So I have scrambled this cube, and when we scramble this cube we can see our this small piece flipped. So our first step, we will place all these small piece, we will match pair. For example, this is half brown piece, we will match second half brown, and we will complete all pair same like that. We can see these two are matching properly. We will save in this in any one slot. So we will use very easy trick. We will just keep in our mind 3 half circle. For example, this is our ideal position. In these 3 half circle we can see we have 2 white piece, 2 green piece. So we can select white and we can select green. For example, this is white. If I bring this white piece down and place in this side and bring it up, so this is fixed. We will save in this slot. So again we will select 3 slots. Sometimes we can face this kind of piece. They are same color and we can see they are matching like that. So we can solve this case very easily. We will just save one piece in this down side, second in this position. Now we will place this half piece like that, bring it down. We will carry this remaining half piece and match with this and save in this side. So again this is rotated, this is also, and this is solved. So we will replace with this unsolved, because this is our ideal setup. We will place 3 half circle like that. For example, there is red, there is also red, so we will try these 2 red. For if I bring this red in this side, so this we can see this is our half red and this is our remaining half red, but they are not matching properly. But our yellow by chance we have solved, so we will save this yellow. Okay, so again we will find, so this is unsolved, unsolved, unsolved. There is green, there is second green, so we can try with green. So this is half green. If I bring this green in this side, so again we can see we cannot match green with green. So we will leave this and we will find any other option. For example, this is blue, this is second blue. So again we can see we cannot match our this blue. So again we will leave this and we will select, we can select these 3. So there is brown, there is also brown, so we can try brown. Place one brown in this side, carry this second brown, match with this and save in this slot. This is fixed. We can select these 3. There is green, there is also green, also blue, there is also blue. So first we can try blue, but we cannot match this blue, so we will try green. So this is green, we will match this green, place in this opposite side and bring it up. So green is solved. Again we will save 1 2 3. Okay, so there is blue, there is also blue, so we can try with blue. Place half blue in this position, carry this second blue, but this is not matching, so leave this piece and we will try any other option. Okay, so this is unsolved, we will replace with this solved portion, and again we can see we have our ideal setup. So we have available 3 green and we can see we can match these 2 green. So just save on this position. This is done. This is unsolved, unsolved, this is solved, this is unsolved. So we will replace with this and make our ideal setup. Okay, so in these 3 color we can see we have no any common color, so we can select any other color. If I try this piece, okay, so this is white, this is another white, so we can try white. Place this half white like that and carry this off white and bring it up. So this is fixed. Save on this position. This is done. Unsolved, unsolved, solved. This is unsolved. So we will replace with this and we will make our ideal setup. Okay, so these three are unsolved and we can see we have blue common color and also we have red. So if I try blue, this is done. We will bring it up. So this is unsolved, unsolved. We will replace with any unsolved portion. Okay, so this is unsolved. Now we can try red. So this is our half red. We will place in this position, carry this remaining half red and match with this and we will save it. This is also done. Now we will find, okay, so this is unsolved, this is unsolved, this is unsolved. Red and red, white, white. So we can try red and we can try white, but we can fix white easily. This is done. We will save in this position. Again we will find three unsolved portion. So there is red, there is also red. We will carry this red, rotate like that. So place this half red in this position. We will carry this red and bring it up. This is also fixed. 1 2 and we will replace with this. Okay, so this is unsolved, this is unsolved, this is unsolved, and we have three yellow piece, so we can try yellow. For example, we can match this half yellow with this half yellow. This is done. So again we have three unsolved piece. Again we will make our ideal setup. Place this half blue and carry this half blue, bring it up, match with this and save. Unsolved, unsolved, unsolved. So there is orange, there is also orange, so we can try orange. Place this orange, carry this orange, match with this, fix it and bring it back. So this is done. 1 2 and we will find any other unsolved portion and we will make our ideal setup. Okay, so we have created our ideal setup. So there is green, there is also green. Just carry this green, match with this and save in this side. 1 2. Okay, so this is another ideal setup. So we can try red, we can try blue. So first if we try red, so first save this red in this position, rotate this red, we will carry this red and we can see this is not matching, but in this position we have match blue, so we will save our blue. This is done. Now again we will find our unsolved portion. 1 2, this is solved, this is unsolved. We can replace with this and we have created our ideal setup and we have red color, so we can try with red. This is fixed and we can also fix this remaining of red. This is also fixed. Okay, so we will find any other possibility. We will rotate like that and rotate in this position. Okay, so we have find two unsolved portion and this is our another unsolved portion. So we will place this piece in this position. So just apply Skewb algorithm 2 times like that. Okay, so this is unsolved, this is unsolved, this is another unsolved portion. So we can replace with this solved portion and bring it close like that and we will create our ideal setup. So we have created our ideal setup. We can solve blue, we can solve white. If I select white, place this half white in this position and match with this remaining half white and this is done. Now we will find our remaining unsolved portion. Okay, so we have 1 2 and 3. We have left with last 3 unsolved portion. First we will make our ideal setup. These two are matching, so we can change its position. We will replace with any other orbit like that. So we will match like that, and we will must create our ideal setup. So 1 2, this is some little bit tricky, but we can match easily. Okay, so we have done our ideal setup. Unsolved, unsolved, unsolved. Okay, so there is two possibilities. We can select yellow and also we can select orange. If I select yellow, we will bring it up, save this half piece and save this remaining half piece in this side, again bring it up and match with this yellow. So this is done. We will bring it up and match these two, and this is also done. And every half circle we can see we have solved. But sometimes we can face with last half circle, we can face different kind of parity. So first I will create parity and then I will show different cases. Okay, so we have left with last three half circle. When we find last three half circle, so our first step, we will solve any one half circle. I mean, we can solve white, we can solve yellow, we can solve red. So we will select any one. For example, if I select red, so just match red with red and bring it back. And we can see again we have same possibility, we can solve easily. But I will show another parity. So sometime we can solve every half circle and we have left with this last half circle, and we can see we have find this kind of situation. So when we find this kind of situation, we will check our color. For example, this is our white color. So we will must place one white half circle in this position, second half circle in this side. I mean, we will select three common color and then we will hold like that and we will scramble these three color. Okay, so now we will just match these two and we will solve like that. So this is very simple and very easy step. So in this cube we cannot face any tricky parity. In this last piece we can solve easily. And now our next step, we will place our these half circle on their proper centers. I mean, these are our centers. In this position we will place red. So every centers we will fill with their ideal color. For example, this is blue, this is green, we can replace to each other. This green we can replace with this red we can replace with this blue we will replace with this red, and now we will replace with we will find any other possibility. This green we can replace with this. So there is white we can replace with this. There is another white we can replace with this green. So we can very easily replace to each other. Sometimes we can face this kind of case. This blue we need in this position, so we place these two like that. So just rotate this side and rotate like that. So we can see now they are in same orbit. So we will use any third slot, replace with this and bring it back. And we will find any other. So we have same case. Again rotate like that and bring it back. Yellow is done, green is done. We will find any other piece. So this is our white. We have same case. So just rotate and match like that, and we can replace with any extra color. Again we have same situation. Replace with this, bring it up and rematch our color. This is done. We have same situation. So just create our ideal setup, then use any other slot, match with this and bring it back. This is another case. We can replace with this red. Okay, so this is another case. We can see this yellow we need in this side, so just apply Skewb algorithm 2 times and we have make our setup. This is yellow. We have again same case. Just rotate like that and replace with this. Okay, so this is our last circle. In this circle, when we find this kind of case, I mean we can see we cannot place in this position, so just rotate this right layer and then rotate like that, and we can see they are in same line. And now we will replace green with red. This is done. Sometime we can face this kind of case with these last two pieces. I mean we need this brown in this position, then we can easily replace to each other. When we find this kind of case, we will place this portion in this down side and apply skewb algorithm 2 times. I mean down down up up we will apply 2 times. And we can see we have changed our position and we can swap easily. So this step we have complete, and now we have create our this cube same like this simple cube. I mean we have solved our center, and now we will solve our cube very easily. So this is our simple cube solution. We will just match our color white portion. So this is done, and we will match like that. So this is same simple cube trick. Okay, so we have solved our these front center, and now we will solve our yellow portion by using down down up up 2 times, and our cube is done. So very easy and very simple cube. And if you like my video, so I just request to everyone just like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.